Okay, hi. This video I'm making very quickly for Bianca. Bianca, I'm going to share my whiteboard and show you a little bit about the problem you're having trouble with. Hope this helps. So the first thing that they're asking is to write an exponential expression. So I'm going to underline those words, exponential expression. And when you're doing an exponential expression, they're talking about writing an exponent. Now, when we did an exponent in class, we started the beginning of the year with them looking like this. We would take 10, and then above the 10, we would put a little number. That was an exponent. This 3 is our exponent, okay? The 10 is the base. The 3 is the exponent. I'm going to label those here. So the 10 and the 3, and I'm going to put in some words. So the 10 is the base, and the 3 is the exponent. Okay, so when they're asking me to write an exponential expression, they're asking me to have one number that's the base and one number that's the exponent. Now, what does that mean? What that means is I'm going to take 10, and this exponent tells me how many times I'm going to multiply it. So 10 to the third power, that's how we say it, 10 to the third power, we would write 10 times 10 times 10. Okay? 10 times 10 times 10. That would be what I would get from 10 to the third power. Okay? So this is what they're looking for you to do in the problem on your lesson. Write an exponential expression. Choose an odd number between 0 and 10 to be the base, and an even number between 0 and 10 to be the exponent. So I can start with any odd number I want. I could choose 3, 5, 7, or 9. They're all between 0 and 10. So I'm going to choose 5. And that's my base. And then I'm going to choose an even number between 0 and 10 to be my exponent. So I could choose 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 4. And then it asks me to label the base and the exponent. So how I would do that is I would say the base is 5, the exponent is 4, and then say what it is in expanded form and standard form. Expanded form would be, remember, take the base and then take the exponent, and it tells you how many times to multiply it. So 5, 4 times. So I'm going to do 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And then how do I write the standard form? Standard form is you're going to write the 5. And then remember, on our calculator, we used what we called, Mr. Adams calls it the caret. It looks like a wedge, an upside down V. It looks like this. We're going to put in that symbol. How we put in that symbol is if you hit the shift button on your keyboard and the 6, so shift 6, it puts in the little caret, and then I put my 4. So that's how my answer should look. Base, odd number, between 0 and 10, 5 fits. 4, my exponent should be an even number between 0 and 10. Yes, that fits. Label the base and the exponent. The base is 5, the exponent is 4. Then write in expanded and standard. Expanded form would be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Standard form is 5 to the 4th power. So that's what I need you to do on this problem. So go ahead and choose a different odd number and even number. Maybe try 3 to the 2nd power, or 7 to the 5th power, or sorry, 6th power. Something with an odd number and an even number, and then write it out how Mr. Adams showed you here. Please let me know if you have any more questions, and I hope this helped. Thanks.